Hello and welcome back to the Computer Lab on YouTube, and this is a relatively quick and easy video. It's only a quick one just to show you how to install macros in Affinity Photo, so it should only be a couple of minutes long. Just to add, I'm not affiliated in any way with Affinity Photo, so please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit me up with any comments below and stuff that you'd like to see on the channel. And please do hit the bell icon to be alerted to any new videos that I produce for my channel on YouTube. That being said, let's get into the video and quickly show you how to install macros in Affinity Photo. So the first thing you need to go is up to where it says View, and then we need to go down to Studio, and then in there you've got one that says Library. So you can see it currently, yours might be already selected. I haven't got a tick there, so it's not showing. So click on Library. That will then put the library on the left hand side here, and then there's two boxes at the top corner here. This is the one that we need just above these sort of like little hamburger menu. Click on that, and we've got one that says Import Macros. So we click on the Import Macros button, and then I have got a folder created called Affinity Photo, and this is one of the ones that came free with the recent Affinity Photo, and it's called JR Channels, and you can see it's a macro file. So click on that, click on Open or double click on it, and then straight away you can see it has now installed the macros. So obviously, depending on which macros you've installed will depend on what effect or item that you've added. But then from this point, if it was these particular macros that you installed, if you double click on these, when you've got the correct layer selected on the right hand side, then apply the effect of the macro in Affinity Photo to the photograph or something like that you've got selected. So I don't know which one I've just selected on there. Was it grayscale or the CMYK one? But either one, and you can see then as you turn them on and off, it changes the picture. So that's it. That's how to install macros in Affinity Photo on Windows. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do hit the subscribe button. Please do give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, hit me up with any comments below. They are always appreciated. And please do subscribe to my channel. That's how my channel survives in making me a couple of pound to go towards my Tesla Y when I can finally afford one. Thanks again for watching the Computer Lab on YouTube.